Do you want to live in the country? Or how about in a home that's been completely renovated from top to bottom? Or how about a house that's got an in-law suite? Well, I'm standing at my newest listing, 139 Zach Road, and it has all of those things. We're in the north end of Moncton. I timed it. We are 4 minutes from the Trans-Canada, and we are 7 minutes to Highway 15. So you're country living, but you are so close to all amenities. You're just gonna love everything. The lots are a little bit bigger out here. There's trees everywhere. It smells good. There's a bus route for the kids, so they can just stand right out here at the end of the driveway and jump on the bus. Obviously, we're gonna get inside and take a look at how renovated this house is. But first, I just kind of wanted to talk a little bit about the outdoor features here, especially this circular driveway. You could probably fit anywhere from 6 to 8 cars here. The lot's big, there's lots of trees, but it's still really easy to maintain. And outside, we've got this beautiful red brick that goes all the length of the house. Shane, I'm really excited about this one, so let's get inside. I'm very excited. We just came in the front door, and right here you've got 2 closets. You can kick your shoes off and hang up your coats. More than likely, you will use the side entrance because it opens up into a massive 9-foot ceiling mudroom. But I came here because I wanted to highlight one of my favorite areas of this renovated home, the living room. This is the heart of the home. This massive window. Shane, how big would you say this window is?
8 feet wide.
And it lets in a ton of natural light. These are all original oak flooring that have been lovingly restored. So obviously you can see this beautiful original stone fireplace. It's an electric insert. It's so cozy with these gorgeous refinished hardwood floors and your furniture laid out around it. So entirely cozy. So off the living room, we have this beautiful dining room. Again, I want you to notice the 9-foot ceilings. It is so bright and so lovely in here. So off the dining room, we have the kitchen. Again, these massive 9-foot ceilings. There is so much light and so much space in here. So this home originally did not have a pantry, but it has been renovated to have one. So this is a wonderful walk-in pantry. It's got these slide-out drawers that everyone loves. So this is a really great feature. Right off the kitchen is this mudroom that I was talking about earlier. Massive 9-foot ceilings, another huge window that lets in all this light. And this is actually the side entrance. So this would be the one you probably use the most. You come right into the mudroom. You've got a closet right here. Your washer and dryer will eventually be here. One of my favorite features is this den that the current homeowners created. So you could use this as an office space. You could use it as a little playroom. I mean, it's really just a versatile space, and it has these great built-ins right here. So what's a really neat little feature about this particular room is that you have access to the primary ensuite. One of my favorite features about this primary bedroom is obviously this private patio. It's enclosed. Imagine just waking up in the morning and seeing this and going out and having your coffee there. It's just incredible. Off the primary bedroom, we have the ensuite. Everything is new here, the tile floor. It's neutral, you can put your own stamp on it, put up a great mirror. It's just a lovely space. And we have a tiled shower right over here. This main floor is finished off with a second bedroom, good sized bedroom. Now down here, another really great feature is you could have a second primary suite. I'll show you why. Close this door off. Close off access to the bathroom because you have your third bedroom right down here. Making my way down into the in-law suite, and the first thing we're going to come to is this massive, huge entrance. It's almost like a second foyer. It's so big. We're going to take you through the whole thing because it's been completely renovated as well. We're directly below the upstairs living room. So this would have been a secondary fireplace right here. It's just been painted white. You can do whatever you want with it, but it's a really huge, big space. Next to the living room is a completely renovated kitchen. The basement in-law suite is huge. It's got 3 really good sized bedrooms, a very big bathroom. I'm Jennifer Smith with Remax Avante in Moncton, New Brunswick. Thank you so much for visiting 139 Zach Road in Moncton's North End. As you can see, this property is extremely versatile and ready for its new owners.